Hey, Rick Pedro, Diamond City Jewelers. What if I told you I guarantee your credit approval or I'll pay you $100 cash? That's right. Now you have a hip-hop jewelry store in Solano County that's here for you to get the credit you want and the jewelry you deserve. Come on in. Are you 18 or older and would like to start your first credit account? Have you ever been turned down for credit and would like to start rebuilding your credit? At Diamond City Jewelers, I guarantee your credit approval. I'll pay you $100 cash. That's right. We offer 90-day same-as cash leasing. We offer 101 days, no interest. We offer just $50 down. We even have in-house financing. So I guarantee your credit approval or I'll pay you $100 cash regardless of your credit. Yes, it's true. Even if you don't have a bank account, I guarantee your credit approval or I'll pay you $100 cash. In-house financing just requires a down payment. A valid ID, 18 or older, and 5 personal references. Come to 975 Alamo Drive where I guarantee your credit approval. I'll pay you $100 cash. We report to the 2 largest credit bureaus of the world and you can start building new good credit. If you have great credit, we offer no down payment and no interest for a year. That's right. Here for you. You want custom grills? You want custom jewelry? You want memory pendants? Nameplates? That's right, and now you can lease them or finance them. Check us out at Diamond City J for all the hot deals or go to diamondcity.biz, that's diamondcity.biz, hit the apply now button, watch the video, and let's get your credit started today.